Hi, my name is Aneya Marie and I am with clownantics.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bear heart balloon. So I've blown up our starter balloon, which is the heart. I've left a small little nub at the end just to make it a little bit easier to tie the two ends together. So that's going to be the first thing that you do, is tie your two ends together. There we go. To mold your heart, you're going to pinch right from the middle and bring it right down. Fold it as if you're folding a flower petal, and then you're just going to have to kind of work it for a second. Try and keep it high. Go. Your heart. We'll move on to the bear. This is a 260 balloon. A little bit malleable, but we have a lot left over. We're not going to use the whole balloon. Start with your nose, pinch, and twist. And we're going to do a chain. This can get a little bit tricky, but we're gonna do a chain of pinch twists, squeeze and twist all the way, and we're going to make about 5. So go ahead, all the same size, if you can. Keep squeezing the excess air to the slack of the balloon. I actually made 6 because I made a neck, but you can still be good with 5. So you're gonna take the first 5 from the first bubble to the 5th bubble, and you're gonna go ahead and twist it. Pull your nose through your small little flower that you've made for your bear. That gets his nose through. You're going to then take the 2 sides, top sides of your head construction, and you're going to pull out and pinch twist. So squeeze the 2 sides together, pull out this small bubble, and pinch twist it to look like an ear. Same thing on the other side. You're going to pinch the 2 sides of the bubble together and pull out as you twist. If you're a beginner, do not be frustrated. Those ears will pop many times. It just takes practice. There's the head of your bear. I like to add a neck to it. Helps me to place the bear's head where I want it in this sculpture that we're about to make. So now that you have the neck of your bear, you're going to go ahead and make the hands of the bear. About hand length. Go ahead and twist it. Thread that through your heart and pinch twist him shut. So he's hugging. Go ahead and make his body. Bears' bodies aren't really that long. Same thing. Wrap your feet of your bear around your heart and go ahead and twist. So you're gonna have a little extra. What's great about this sculpture is you can put a bear on the heart, you can put a monkey, you can put a dog, you can put a cat, anything that has paws that can wrap around and grab. I'm gonna go ahead and make the bear tail, which will be a pinch twist, and you'll break this balloon. So you have your excess, you're gonna go ahead and so you're going to wrap it around the body of the bear so that you make your nice little bear tail. Go ahead and draw a character face on your bear. And there's your balloon sculpture with your bear and your heart. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit the links listed below and be sure to share with your friends.